First to market AI app creates and hosts stunning websites in any niche using a single keyword in just 60 seconds flat. Stop wasting thousands of dollars on expensive hosting and website designing subscriptions like Wix.com, ClickFunnels, Convertri, and Shopify. You're just 3 clicks away. Click any of the buy buttons on this page to grab a copy of AI Next Site at an extremely low one-time cost. Easy to use dashboard. Choose from our built-in 50 done-for-you website templates or use our drag-and-drop editor to design your websites in minutes. Start profiting by selling these stunning and professional-looking websites to your clients or on top freelance platforms such as Fiverr and Upwork. Unlock the ultimate power of AI Next Site. Now quickly create gorgeous websites in minutes along with any type of marketing funnels or pages, for yourself or your clients. Just see for yourself. I am not tech-savvy at all, but the AI Next Site website builder made it incredibly easy for me to create a website that showcases my work. It's user-friendly and requires no coding skills. I was amazed by the AI Next Site website builder's ability to customize every aspect of my site. From layouts to fonts, I had complete control over the design. It's a must-try. I've tried many website builders before, but none have come close to the power and efficiency of the AI Next Site website builder. It's a powerful tool for any business owner. Thanks to the AI Next Site website builder, my website now loads lightning fast and has an exceptional user experience. It has boosted my online presence and helped attract more customers. AI Next Site website builder's templates are simply stunning. With a wide range of options, I was able to find the perfect design that perfectly reflects my brand's identity. AI Next Site website builder's responsive design feature ensured that my website looks great on any device or screen size. It's crucial in today's mobile-first world. However, the taste of online success with websites was fraught with many obstacles and difficulties. Look, if you're in the digital space trying to crave your online success, then you need to have a website, hosting and some products to sell. And it doesn't matter what you're selling, maybe affiliate offers, softwares, promoting your own brand, you need a platform to showcase it all. And just like you, there are millions of people looking to create their own websites for their businesses. But, creating a website itself is a very daunting task. It eats up your pocket while paying monthly recurring fees to website builders, website hosting and so much more. Have a look. All this problems sounds very scary. But no matter what, we never give up, and I was very much committed towards my goal of creating a solution that could easily fix all these problems at once. And here I'm today. Finally, after 2 years of research and development, we cracked the code of creating websites in any niche imaginable in less than 60 seconds. AI Next Site is the world's first fully AI-driven software that creates and hosts stunning websites in any niche imaginable with just one easy click. You don't have to do anything. No paying for third-party expensive website creator like Wix and ClickFunnels, which are hard to configure and unreliable. 100% done for you. Use our drag-and-drop website builder and create your desired website in any niche with just a single keyword. It's easy to sell any kind of product or services, e-commerce, ebook, software, etc. on your very own website. AI Next Site lets you place advertisement banners on the websites that helps you making more commissions. Super mind-blowing features. Your site gets free SSL for a lifetime with AI Next Site. This ensures your site is safe from every angle. Double-click on any text content to open a text editor where you can modify the text contents and apply and remove various styles to highlighted text. Easily, visually, and in real-time edit most of elements properties like padding, margin, border, shadows, backgrounds, text styles and more. Default landing page can be easily edited via built-in appearance editor with live preview and no coding knowledge. Easily manage your site appearance, colors, logo, landing page, menus etc. via built-in appearance editor. You're getting everything you need with AI Next Site. Create your dream site in any niche. AI Next Site lets you create websites in any niche imaginable and drives a boatload of views and traffic. To make sure AI Next Site keeps its users making money, we release new updates and unique features every month. These features automatically gets dropped in the software. We have a dedicated support team that works non-stop to answer any question related to AI Next Site software. In the unlikely event where you have trouble setting anything up, we have a series of step-by-step training videos that give you detailed instructions from A to Z. Special bonus offer. Free gift. First 150 smart action takers gets access to AI Next site, 5 done for you, websites plus 100 reseller license. Did you think I was going to stop there? Oh no, I'm going to spoil you even further with more goodies. You see, people in our community are action takers, and we love to a dedicated team of action takers. Because these are the people I can truly help. But it's only available to the first 150 buyers of AI Next site. This is so exclusive that you won't be able to find it anywhere else. It's an unfair advantage that's allowing our members to easily double, if not triple, the profits they would normally receive. And yes, I blatantly call it unfair, because it is. This will give you a huge advantage over everyone else. But do remember, this bonus is limited to the first 150 buyers of AI Next site. After that, this bonus will not be available. So go ahead, click the button below right now to get your copy of AI Next site along with all of the special bonuses. And it's not over yet. Get access to the top secrets from us that increases the site's speed by 10x. And most important part, this helps to boost the rankings on the Google along with solid conversions and sales. This is the world's first AI-powered software that lets you keep your site 100% secure from hacker and spamming by auto-detecting new malwares, virus, and so much more. This bonus lets you successfully transfer the domains from one site to other in just a matter of seconds. Transfer your sites to new domains and save a lot of time. Sounds awesome. You might have made the assumption that AI Next site would cost you lots of money. And your gut wasn't wrong thinking of that. Originally, we planned on charging $4.97/month for access. At that price it would quickly pay for itself. After all, is there anything else out there that lets you create your very own websites in any niche, in just less than 60 seconds? Let's face it though, that's a lot of money to put up front. But instead of charging you $4.97/month or $1.997/year, I'm going to make you a special offer. You're not going to pay anywhere near $4.97/month. You won't pay $3.97/month. You won't pay $2.97/month. You won't even pay $1.97/month. Not even $27/month. Heck, you won't even pay monthly at all. If you pick up a copy of AI Next site right now, you'll pay just a low, one-time investment, equivalent to a cheap t-shirt. That gets you full access to AI Next site. And there are zero extra fees involved here. So right after you take action, you'll be ready to succeed. Limited time deal. So, to ensure that our servers continue running smoothly, we will be limiting the number of people who can take advantage of this large discount. Once our maximum capacity is reached, we will be closing our doors. And if we open back up, we won't be offering this at the same price. We'll be reverting back to our original price of $1,997 one time, or $497 per month. Oh, and by the way, this is not fake scarcity. If you know us, when an offer is sold out, it's sold out. We don't play around with that fake scarcity crap. So take this message seriously. Click the button below right now to get a copy of AI Next site. 30 days money back guarantee. The deal is, if you purchase AI Next site and don't feel you are getting at least 5 times what you paid for it, then we don't want your money. We're on the mission to deliver a quality product with 0 unhappy customers. And if we fall short in any way, then we don't deserve your money. Well, if we don't meet your expectation, then just us know within 30 days for a full refund. Heck, as a kind gesture we'll even send you $200 for wasting your time. So either way, you only win.